This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss. This stream is only for educational purposes and not investment advice. So try not to fuck it up. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and personal results in general are difficult to replicate. If you decide to watch, follow, and you screw up, you can only blame yourself. And now, click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so just 1 second, guys. I'm going to set up the sound. 1 second. VB cable A.
This
Okay, guys, just bear with me because I can't hear the Zoom conversation. For some reason, I can't hear anything again. So just a minor delay, but as you can see, the gold position we opened this morning is going very, very nicely. So bear with me. Just a second. Zoom audio. Turn off. Why am I can't hear you guys, so just bear with me. Selecting a speaker, Zoom audio, removing, yes. Bear with me. So let me just see if Arslan is muted or not, because he is the one who usually leaves his mic on. No, he's muted. Well done, Arslan. Okay, bear with me. Now what the fish is happening again? Okay. Okay, can you say something in the Zoom conversation just to check my audio?
Hi, Thomas.
Bear with me, one sec. No, I can't hear you. Just a minute ago, I swear I could hear you. But no. Okay. Everything should be fine. Okay. Oh, I will check. Can you hear me now, Raul? Okay, I can hear you through my Mac Mini, but trying to put you through my headphones. So bear with me. Couple of hours and I sort this out. Speaker. Okay, I can hear you now in my headphones. I'm trying. Yes, I can hear you. But I'm trying to feed you into. Oh no, that's not. Bear with me. Right. I don't want to restart the stream, but I need to edit some of the. Okay, can you say something in the Zoom?
Zoom.
Perfect. We have sound.
And that quick. Impressive.
I'm honored. Yes, it took me only 5 minutes to set it up. So welcome. Yes, YouTube live stream. How fucking good. Okay, how is everyone today?
Yeah, what shall I say?
Very good.
Bit more energy, guys. You know, wakey. It's the afternoon. You should be in profit. I mean, look at this beautiful gold setup. Amazing. Okay, sadly I had to let the Aussie dollar and which one was the other one? USD CAD. Sadly, I had to let them go because they were not making money. They were just losing, so I cut the losses. And these are the open positions I have right now. Oops, I need to hide it. What open positions do you have? Come on, guys. Help a man out with the live stream.
I'm still open USD cut.
You still have it open. I closed it because I just couldn't bear the loss, the drawdown.
I don't. Okay. But I'm not that big lot size, so we manage.
Yeah, it's fine. So let me just quickly go back to my trading view and have a look on the market. Today is a good day, but the only easy day was yesterday. So, as the saying goes, now let's have a look what's happening on the markets. Now, gold took the previous daily high out, so definitely take some profit if you haven't already. USD CAD, yeah, is still in the drawdown zone, but you know, I had to close it down. I didn't want to face losses today. Everything was going so nicely, all positions in green, and you know, I hoped the most from USD CAD, and this is the one who let me down. Shame, absolutely shame. It was a beautiful setup. You know, still valid because it's you know, the trend line. It looks like it's going to hold, and also you have the daily pivot point, but this is not for me. US 30. Who's in on US 30? This was a beautiful entry right here. So we had on US 30 24 points or 2 pips drawdown, and currently running in 30 pips profit. It's good. GBP Japanese yen, and this was not the most beautiful setup, but so far it's holding well. The initial entry level, mine was a little bit higher, way higher. It was like, how many pips? 27 pips or 2.5, whatever. So mine was higher. Definitely, if you haven't taken profit already, take some profit, because we had an interesting news today in the United Kingdom. Who knows what was that news? You guys are useless, seriously. I'm not going to invite anyone to a live stream. It's only Raoul who speaks. Oh God.
I think that was inflation data, wasn't it?
Sorry?
I think that was,
Indeed.
Wasn't that inflation data? I can't remember now.
Yeah, it was inflation data in the morning. So CPI. We talked about... Yeah. We talked about this in the morning briefing, in the morning Zoom conversation. So it was higher. And in the afternoon, if you have any open GBP position, make sure you are going to want to lock some profits, because we have some members of the Bank of England speaking today. So it's definitely something I don't want to have too much risk open. We had inflation going up in the morning, and in the afternoon, surprisingly, coincidentally, we have two members of Bank of England speaking. So what do you think they're going to say?
That they raised interest as last time.
Same scenario as in the United States. Exactly the same playbook. I mean, even the Bank of England, even they talked hawkish well before the Fed. So it's not surprising they want to tackle inflation. It is a problem, but it's a bit shameful that they only admit that the inflation in the UK is 5.4%. It's a fucking lie. You know exactly how much everything costs in the UK. It's double digit. It's not 5.4. It's 5.4 in the statistics they counterfeit. Okay. Right, so we have 20 minutes for Bank of Canada. No, sorry, CPI, not Bank of Canada. CPI is going to be in 18 minutes. So I'm hoping that it's going to push the USD CAD to the upside. We'll see. I don't know what's going to happen, but I pulled that from USD CAD. I have 3 positions, one in GBP Japanese yen, which I'm really tempted to close down soon, because you know, it's really good profits. So I just made 10% of my account today, which is not something I want to lose. Okay.
Hey, Thomas.
Hey, Philip, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you had some good shots today?
Yeah, I'm just at the beach at the moment, so I've just stopped for some lunch and just to see what's happening with this.
Awesome. Yeah, we just talked about that. CPI in Canada is going to be released in 18 minutes, or 18 minutes, and we're going to have 2 of your beloved countries' Bank of England governors or members going to have a speech today. Coincidentally, just after the CPI, which was pretty high. So in 30 years in the UK, there was never 5.4% inflation. But it's a bit ridiculous that we know exactly how much is the living cost in the UK, and the inflation is not 5.4. It's more like
exactly.
15.4.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Yeah, living here, yeah.
Yeah, it's easily double-digit inflation. So.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Easily. Okay, so on the chart, you can see that the previous daily high was taken out, and we have seen a rejection already. So price is failing to go above the previous day's high, which, you know, it could mean anything. It could break through with an impulse move to the upside. It could come back to the daily pivot point and the Fibonacci 38.2. It could mean anything. This is why it's important that you lock in any profit that you can. It's very important. The profit you lock in, it's yours. No one can take it away. Obviously, you can trade it back to the market, but you know, try to lock in as much profit as possible, which I am going to do. Where is Ahmed?
I'm here.
Ahmed, should I close down my positions?
No, only stop loss at M3.
That's the easy answer.
Well, in my chart, it break my channel. The channel we talked about yesterday, which is just the same like the fake out before fake out.
Mm-hmm.
So it rotated very nicely in the 15-minute time frame. So I'm waiting an impulse to 30.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Yeah. Why is... Let me just quickly check. Sorry, I'm still fiddling with the setups because it looks like that my screen sharing has stopped.
Where?
No, it's back again now. Okay. Perfect.
Afternoon,
Right.
Thomas. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing, mate? Missed you.
Yeah, I'm alright, mate. I'm alright.
I'm thinking to close down positions because today was a good day.
Let's move,
Man's gonna...
move your stop loss to 18.50.
Oh, finally a good, you know, recommendation.
And then if it shoots up, you're laughing, aren't you?
Well, I was going to suggest that as well, but you know, you got the first. That's fair
Oh, you
enough.
did, but you haven't.
I-
You haven't. Yeah, let's have a look on GJ. GJ was pretty nice today. I don't have a TP for GJ. Let's say
Schöne. Rest.
GJ. Okay. Yeah. If that hits 150, so it goes up, how many pips? Goes up to the previous high. Man's gonna eat tonight. It's another 70 pips. 7 pips. Okay. Let me change the music. Okay. What's up? Everyone's sleeping in the afternoon? You guys have your beauty sleep now, or what?
What's sleeping? We are walking.
Not yet.
I'm walking and there's lots of noise around me. That's why I'm muted.
There's always noise around you.
I'm in a noisy country.
Where about you now?
Sorry, didn't hear you.
Where are you? Where are you based?
on Erbil, Kurdistan, Iraq.
Oh, it's exotic. I never had the opportunity to visit your beautiful country.
Yes, I wish you come to here. There's lots of places that I can show you.
Yeah, I'm sure it's beautiful. You know, I have plans to travel.
Sorry?
Yeah, go ahead. No, I have plans to travel this year. Last year I had many plans to travel, but sadly because of COVID, I didn't have the opportunity.
Oh. You can search for it in Google, so you can know where you're traveling for. But Erbil, Kurdistan in general is really beautiful.
Oh, gold is shooting up. Come make Daddy proud. If it hits my TP, that's 3 grand. That's good. GJ, fuck. Okay, let's have a look on what do we have on TradingView. Okay, I think it's time to lock in some profits soon. Oh, gold is shooting up. Look at that. Is it going to reach 1830 today?
I hope so.
What do you think?
Well, just like I said, it broke my channel, so and it retested it. Then it moved up, so I will wait for the long term, like 40, if it's break 30.
It didn't yet break my channel and in my TradingView. I'm still waiting, but it's definitely massaging. So let me just show you on my TradingView. It's massaging the top of my channel, is top of this bear flag, bull flag, whatever. So that channel you see on the screen, it's just massaging the top right here. I could adjust it a little bit. I know because of these massive wicks, it's difficult to pinpoint exactly that. Yes, that's the top. Why is this like this? No, let's delete that.
Well, the same here. It's really hard to. It's really hard to draw the channel because of these wicks. So I draw it from the retest. It's better, I think.
Yeah, but I think I'm going to lock in some profits soon. It's better be safe than sorry. But I don't think they're going to switch. I don't think that they're going to flip this daily candle. But you know, with gold, you never know. It's really hard to tell what's going to happen. We've seen many cases when gold just decided to fucking plummet $100 in literally 5 minutes.
It was vaccine news, right? That $100.
No, it happened every single month back in the days. It was, could be anything. It was crypto news, monetary policy, all kind of news. Who's in on gold long?
Me.
When are you closing your position?
Sorry,
No.
did it hear you?
When are you closing your position?
I already closed.
You only closed. That's wise.
I closed
Probably.
mine.
Oh, you guys pulling out.
On
Yeah.
Epic 12 I was, and I
I'm
closed.
not.
The profits looked too good. I just couldn't hold on.
And we have US30 as well, and GJ. I'm probably going to close down GJ. Thank you,
Wagwan,
GJ.
everybody.
Rayon, Wagwan.
US cut profits away.
Sorry?
USD cut took out my profits.
I pulled that from USD CAD. It was, one of those unfaithful lovers. It started off, the relationship started off really nicely, but then it decided to pull out. So I pulled out as well.
Literally, all the profits I made, it took them away. But I'll make it back though.
Did you lock in some profits?
Yeah, I did lock in some profits, but I made $300 yesterday. I took back $300.
Say it again. So you ended the day with profit, right?
No, I would.
Oh man. Well, tomorrow there's another day, and it's only Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, so we have Friday as well. And guess what? We have another 235 trading days from 2022. So you're not late. You're anything but late.
Maybe late for this month, man. No, I'm just kidding.
No, it's fine.
Oh, Thomas, I have a friend in the on YouTube who wants to say thanks for GJ trade yesterday.
You have a friend on YouTube who wants to see my GJ?
No, she wants to say thanks.
Oh, thank you.
She's watching.
You're welcome. Da, 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 da. Gold
Boom.
is up. US 30. Oh. What's boom?
1823, 24 almost.
It's gonna be 1828 soon. Come on, baby. Man's gonna eat today.
You highs are creating.
Thomas, you're eating every day, mate.
Nah. No. It's not true. It's not true.
He's in love. He don't need to eat.
Oh, someone thanked me on Telegram. Renee or 1A North over.
Yeah, that's her.
Oh, she's your friend, or he's your friend. Who is he? Let me just check. Oh, 1A. Why don't you invite? Send her the Zoom link. Invite her to the Zoom.
Alright, that will.
Do it now.
You hold on, man.
Sorry?
Hold on.
I always like to have new people in the Zoom and the live discussion. Da, da.
Excuse me, Thomas. What's your exact entry gold?
My exact entry.
Yeah.
It's on the screen. 1813.32.
I know, but I was eating chips. That's why it's far away from me.
Oh, yeah, it's 1813.32.
Oh, great. Mine is at 12.
You have better entry than me.
Yes, I want to talk about this Thomas, I have a price action that I found it very useful in my trading period. It's like almost 95% profit.
Winning rate.
I don't know how, but it's really crazy.
You have a secret. You found the Holy Grail, and you're just telling us on YouTube Live. Mate, how cool is that? How cool is that? I'm going to have a ton of new subscribers. So anybody wants to hear Ahmed's Holy Grail, you know, the road to financial freedom, to success, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, otherwise you're not going to hear it. When would you like to share your secret with us?
It's I will not need too much time. I can explain it in only.
Whoa! Look at gold! Look at gold! Sorry,
everything
Ahmed.
green for USD.
Fucking hell, it's crazy, but
that's really cool. What an impulse!
Yeah, amazing. Rayon, where's your friend?
I sent the wrong link. I sent the Discord link.
No, mate, don't send him the Discord.
You sent to your house address, right?
you sharing our closed community's Discord link to people outside. Oh man.
No, well, it's not copied. The link is not copied. I don't know why. Is it this?
Oh yeah, by the way, you guys have to start thinking. Okay, I'm gonna close down gold, but I need my phone, so I'm just gonna turn off my camera for a second because I need to close partial. And you guys need to think about what I said on Discord.
Yes. What did you say?
Yeah, I'm sending out the link now. Soon,
I said I'm gonna pay for one of your My Forex Fund challenge.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. So I'm going to pick someone and pay for the registration of My Forex Fund.
That's nice.
I don't want to give spoilers, but I think you will pick me.
We'll see, my friend.
Good one.
It's good to have jokers in the group. People with humor.
Yeah, you can never have enough humor.
What's the funniest joke today? This year, I've heard. So, let me just put back trading view because we are here to work, not to joke. Okay, so take it seriously. Yeah, stop playing around. You can see the channel. It's not breaking down yet because gold is definitely massaging the top, but you know, we have an impulse rejection. So what I'm expecting now, so let's talk about forward guidance about what I think is going to happen with gold. So I think it can go up
or down.
Maybe sideways a little bit, but not it just maybe. I'm not sure about that. So
I think it revisit 1811 area.
Oh, in that case I should take profit. But what I think is going to happen is not today, but you know, one of the possibilities is this impulse bullish move is going to last for a little bit longer, and then it's going to retest the top of the channel, and then we are good to go all the way to, I think, 18, yes, 1850, 1860, because the bull flag pattern should be calculated or by the technical analyst book, or you know, how I've been taught is that you have the pole of the flag, and the same size is going to be your profit target, so 1860 level, 1864, which surprisingly lines up with minus 68. So it's definitely a target. Is it going to shoot up now or today? No, maybe not.
Hello, Thomas. Thank you, Rayon.
Vonay, how you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I appreciate it. And thank you yesterday for GJ.
You're welcome. Did you make some good profit?
Yes, I did. I was in a lot of drawdown and it helped
good.
get me back. Well, it didn't clear me out completely, but it helped me
wow.
make some profit.
Good. Is Rayon sharing our analysis to public, outside members?
No, he's really trying to encourage me though.
Good.
He's the one who told me about the YouTube.
Oh, really? Good.
Yeah.
Rayon, you're my man. You're bringing all the beautiful ladies to my stream. It's going to boost. It's going to boost the viewers. You already have 107. Feel free to turn on your camera, Vonay.
Oh wow, no, I have messy bed here. I just woke up.
What time is it there?
It is now 8:30.
8:30.
Yeah, 8:36.
In the morning?
Yeah. In the morning, yeah.
Ah, okay. And who is that little one with you?
That's my daughter.
Ah, how old is she?
She's gonna be 3 in March.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you for tuning in, Vonay. It's good to have you in the Zoom. I hope you're getting value out of the live streams, and Rayon told many good things about me. The bald old guy.
No, he has been singing your praises, and I see why. I told him yesterday. I see why watching the YouTube.
Yeah, it's sometimes we have good trades, sometimes you have bad trades, but how long have you been trading, 1A?
So I don't even want to say, because I was in IML, so I don't even want to classify that as it. Yeah.
That was the big scam, wasn't it?
Oh my goodness. No! But I really like it. No! So I'm trying to stick with it. I just became funded. For the second time, I lost my first account.
Oh, funded
so
with?
I'm trying to be my Forex funds.
You with my Forex funds?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. And you just got funded twice. Your second time.
I was in.
Yeah. I lost my first account, so I'm trying to keep this one.
Oh, congratulations.
I'm so patient.
Money.
So impatient.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
We have some quite a few funder traders in the group. If I just switch back. Yeah, we just made a new Discord channel, and all the funder traders have VIP room or VIP lounge. It's good, and we have helping those one who preparing for the challenge or actually doing a challenge. Just made a new group for them.
Respect for that.
Wagwan.
Soon we have one more from the trader.
Yeah, and surprise, CPI is higher in Canada. Let's have a look on USD CAD. Yeah. Let me just switch back to TradingView because I like to analyze in TradingView. Okay. So someone, George Stratford on YouTube, just said sell gold. Well, mate, sell your lunch, not gold. Go home. Unbelievable. People who don't understand what is trading, they're just giving out, advice. Sell this, sell that. Yeah, so this was the setup on the USD CAD. We'll see whether it's the weekly pivot support is holding up at 1.24700. I pulled out because it was just the loss with which one was the other one? With Aussie dollar, US dollar, combined with USD CAD, it was just too much for my liking, so I just pulled out and left the runners. I'm glad I did because it dropped a little bit more, but the setup is still valid on the USD CAD. So I'm just going to observe it. If it's going to break this trend line, this blue one. Oh, I deleted this one. I wanted to delete this one. So if it breaks this trend line, then I'm going to reconsider. The reason why, because people in the Zoom, what does this look like to you?
Bullish.
In it. So what I'm going to wait for is the break of this trend line, and just the break of everything on the left hand side, and then the retest. I'm going to send a full analysis into Discord when I see any opportunities. I'm going to be patient with USD CAD. It was too early to enter. I could have closed some profit, but I closed in loss, which it happens sometimes. It's part of the game. Unfortunately, losses and loser trades are built into this game. There's no way to get around. And gold is going up.
Thomas, yesterday I wanted to tell you that I closed my USD CAD, but it was.
But you didn't.
Yeah, it was 12 a.m. here in my country, so I was so sleepy. So I closed it in like $4.2. So I fell asleep. That's why I didn't tell you. When I woke up in the morning, I saw it's almost hitting my stop loss. I said, thanks for God that I closed it.
Yeah, it's it's some of these. So people on YouTube asking, is the second person or the third or fourth person I see, what price can I sell gold and just everyone's about sell. Now, honestly, put your hands on your heart and just ask yourself, what is the chance that this bullish candle is going to flip? It's slim to none, but I'm not going to say it's impossible because we've seen weird things in gold, but I don't see any reasons why it would flip now.
Hate to remind you did say that the other week, and it did. But this is today. It's different.
Exactly. So I that's why I never say never on in trading, because anything is possible. This is the only one trade that anything is possible, and that's why most of the people, they can't bear the dynamics of the market, that anything could happen.
Thomas, why Dave won't leave Telegram?
Who?
Dave.
They're expecting a baby in a few weeks. So the trading room he had, the gamer room, and the breakout room he had, his room is now a baby room.
Oh.
So he's been kicked out, and everything is packed up. Yeah, he sent me a picture. It's beautiful, really nice room, but all of his stuff is packed up in IKEA bags and shoved in the corridor. All his big Samsung screen, everything, so he can't trade. He's been kicked out.
Or Raoul, meant to ask you, Volvo you work with?
Yep.
Good.
I don't work for Volvo, but I work for a company who delivers to all those companies: Volvo, Renault, Mack Trucks, Scania, etc., etc.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Alex. Sorry, I just checking. Someone managed to buy a monthly subscription, but I don't know how because it's closed down. And oh no, sorry, that's an upgrade. So Peter Lewis is already a subscriber. Yeah, because I closed down the monthly. Ah, it's fine. Anyway, going back. Where were we? Let's see, we have 41 people in the Zoom and we have 107 on YouTube.
You're doing well.
Someone said you can't shoot him.
Sorry, but
You must be nervous now. He played with all of these money.
No, we follow Ahmed's instructions, so we're not responsible.
It's really nice of him because he's promised to pay all our losses if we lose. So good, he's a good man.
You Ahmed.
I went in with 6 lots.
Whoa, hold on, did I miss something? Did you say what's happening?
Now you forgot, right?
I'm trying to do some administration and you guys going mad on live YouTube.
Remember everything, Ahmed.
Oh, look at this fucker on YouTube. Backup says, when are you going for a hair transplant? I don't know, mate. I'm not going to. What a fucking moron. Oh god. Show me your fucking PNL and then make this comment. When are you going to make a hair transplant? You know. Idiot. No. These are the kind of guys, you know, they never seen real money. They never withdraw any money from their account because they're fucking losers, and they come on YouTube to just talk shit. So because they have so much losses, like this guy Backup on YouTube is probably had so much losses. He come here to rage on YouTube, trying to ruin our stream. What a dickhead.
Thomas, don't let these guys bug you.
No, you know, when he goes on live on YouTube and he does live trades or helps others, I will consider replying this to this douchebag. It's, you know, it's one of those, you know, he has a tiny willy, no money, and he's jealous. And, you know, dumb people are always afraid of things that they don't understand. And in case of Backup, it's knowledge and, you know, intelligence. He doesn't understand, so he's afraid. Anyway, let's go back to analyzing the market and see what is happening. We had a pushback based on the inflation news in Canada. Is it going to be enough to break the trend line and, you know, tilt back the position into profit? May or may not. I pulled out, but it is still a valid buy setup. Going back to gold, look at this beauty. If it plays out, then we should expect, let me just zoom in for you so you can see.
Your screen is not in TradingView.
Oh, what do you see? Oh, okay, let me just show you. Sorry, let me switch. So I have TradingView on YouTube, TradingView for you. So you see that we already had the retest, what it looks like. And yes, it is going up. We had the retest on the 5-minute. So this is what I was talking about. One scenario, you know, just above the channel. Now it looks like we're going to persistently stay above this bull flag channel, and I'm pretty sure we're going to hit 1830 soon. So, but anyway, take some profit, take some partials, because no one can take that away. So make sure you lock in profits. Going to GJ. Yeah, GJ is pulling back now, but you know, we just had a trend line break, so it's fine. I'm still sitting. No, I closed down GJ, but you know, it's still a valid buy setup. US 30. Now US 30 is a long way to go, but you can see how nicely we catched US 30, almost zero drawdown. So we had, let me show you this. We had about, you know, 30 points drawdown. If I just switch to my MetaTrader. Who's eating during the stream, by the way?
Sorry.
Abiodun. Wagwan. So anyway, going back to US 30, is the same entry as I had on MetaTrade on TradingView. So it's beautiful, absolutely nice. Almost zero drawdown, and it's running in 2.2k profit. Did anyone enter US 30?
I entered and closed early.
Next time, I always say there's always an opportunity tomorrow.
Oh.
Okay, let's go back to gold. Gold is going to fucking smash my TP. Who's holding gold? Step forward.
Thomas, about USD CAD, I think USD CAD will make moves next week, not this week, I think, because of the weekly candle. The weekly candle is so not so bearish, it's tiny. It didn't move much this week, so we can expect big moves next week.
Yeah, but you know the drill. You have the setup. It's, you know, nothing changed. It's in a bit drawdown now, but you know the drill. You have my setup. It's difficult to pinpoint with USD because I haven't traded for ages, but you know, need to be patient and wait.
Hi Thomas, can I ask a question?
Hey Willy. Oh, who's that? Manuran.
Yeah, Marwan.
Marwan, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, I love your deep voice.
Yeah, sorry, I just woke up too. It's 8:30 over here. I was trying to figure out, so I missed the evening setup or London early morning setup. But do you trade? Do you pay attention to divergence on these charts?
On the RSI, for example?
On the RSI or the MACD, or TradingView has a divergent indicator and things of that nature. The reason why I'm asking is that I missed the buy, but I don't know how far we're going to go, but I'm thinking that we might pull back to maybe 18, 19 or something like that, or 18, 18 for the next leg up, because there are divergence showing up where we're making higher highs, but all of the indicators that I'm looking at are not making higher highs. So we might be at a point where there might be a pullback. And I'm thinking about either waiting for the pullback before I buy, or maybe scalping the pullback and then enter a buy. But I'm trying to figure out if you pay attention to divergence, or once you set up your chart and then you enter your trade, whether the divergence happen or not, you just ignore the indicators.
I do pay attention sometimes when someone says there is a divergence or convergence, but I have a look on the RSIs each morning to see roughly where is it. So if it's trading below the 50% moving average, or it's trading below the 50 and the moving average, then it's bearish. I do add the Bollinger Bands because I think that's these are two different indicators. Volatility and stochastic indicator. If it's trading above or at an extreme level, or below at an extreme level, I do pay attention, but not for the divergence and convergence. Yes, sometimes, but I'm just too lazy to go through and see all of these things. So I would rather focus on a naked chart and price action than indicators. But again, maybe it's we're all different. If it works for you, definitely try to develop an edge over the market and capitalize on it. Absolutely. Is it working for you?
Yeah, it is working. But the issue is that I am so unconfident about some of the trades. Sometimes I let the potential one, I get out of it too quickly, or I stay too long and it reverses back. Because if it's on an uptrend, even if there's a divergence, it will go in my favor for a couple of dollars or something like that, and then it turn around because it's on an uptrend and then go back up, and it will take the profit or hit my stop loss or whatever the case may be.
Yeah, but that's the case in every single that's the case in trading. It goes into a direction and then it moves to the opposite direction. Yeah. Take profit. There are different methods. Even in the group, I know many people trading different styles, different methods, different strategies. My trading style and my methodology, it's not suitable for everyone, as you can see. But others, you have to find what works for you.
Thank you.
I hope I answered your question.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
Okay. Right.
Thomas, did you do any challenges?
Challenges. I did.
Yeah.
I did dry January. I did weight loss challenges. I did many challenges. I did slap on a bald man's head challenge. I did many challenges.
Weight
Which
Watchers.
one? Weight Watchers challenge. Yeah, I did everything. How many girls' phone numbers can you pick in a club? I live for the challenge.
And then Ryan wins, I think, the numbers challenge.
How did I miss that challenge?
You talking about my Forex funds and FTMO?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I had 2 accounts with FTMO. So FTMO we did 2.5 years ago when it was really just something when it started. so it wasn't marketed as widely as now. I had 2 accounts, not at the same time. The first one I blew it. The second one I had it for 6 or 7 payouts, and I gave it to one of my students / very good friend, and he blew it after 1 month. Literally it wasn't even a whole month. It was 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. And since that, I haven't. It's a really good thing, but I'm still considering to make one because you know, it's better to risk someone else's money than my own capital. But
that's easy.
Yeah, I sent a message to my Forex funds this morning about potential partnerships and affiliateship, because my goal would be to have discount for you guys on challenges. So I want to do promotion for my Forex fund if they give discount, which you can redeem. So I wouldn't make any money, but I want to give the discount to you guys because I know how much is, you know, it's a life-changing opportunity. So that's my goal in the long term.
Nice.
Yeah, they haven't replied yet. They don't know who I am. Just some random guy messaging.
My Forex fund is better than FTMO.
That's what people say in the group, yeah.
I agree.
I asked Raul about it and I joined my Forex fund.
It's good. Many people really like my Forex funds. Okay, people.
Nice.
Close.
About 14 days left.
And how is your challenge going?
I'm in a little bit jarred up, but
it wasn't really convincing. It's like when someone asks you, how is it going? You know, good. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Thomas.
Oh, no way. Pascal is in the house.
Yes.
What the fish?
How are you feeling now, Pascal?
Good. I was last week was quite sick for 1 day. I had like severe fever, like feeling you have the flu. It was a birthday gift from my daughter. I said thank you, and then the day after was a little bit better, but then it was okay. So I smoked the COVID out.
Do you smoke?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
But
why.
you're a sportswoman.
Yes, that's why.
On the golf course, I smoke every 2 holes. It's all calculated. Only on par 4 and par 5, never on par 3s. Unless if I have to wait, then I smoke.
Well, anyway, it's good to have you back, finally, because, you know, I have to tell you something, Pascal, but do not tell the other guys in the Zoom, but they are so fucking boring. I have to speak
Okay,
all
let's
day.
mute ourselves so we don't hear.
Yeah, don't tell them. They are so boring. Yeah.
Looking how gold is climbing up. I was too late this morning. It was already departed. So now I'm waiting for sell.
She's with the YouTube group.
No, I'm not a YouTube group.
YouTube group are telling Thomas where to sell.
Yes, seriously, these guys do not, you know, this is not the financial advice, but people should not. I hate when people go into my stream and in comments and everywhere to just say sell, buy, sell, buy, and they're changing their opinion literally every 5 minutes when spot price moves a little bit, like 2 pips and oh no, it's sell. No, sorry, shit, buy. And you know, just blowing accounts. They have no idea what they're doing. Don't listen to them. Listen to someone more experienced like Ahmed or Raul, but don't listen to you know, in comments. I mean, there's the fucking, sorry, excuse my French, but there's a proof. You know, listen to someone who knows what he's doing.
What do you think, Thomas? Could we see a fall back around 28-30 area?
You mean a push up? Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. But you know, I already took partial profits because it's running. You know, it's bullish. I took partial profits because I would take small profit any day of the year rather than see it goes to my stop loss. So there's a possibility gold is going up, and there is a possibility gold is going down. But what I'm expecting, just to talk seriously, is, you know, we have this top trend line. Actually, I'm going to delete that. So you have this trend line, which is now looks like it's been broken or invalidated. If you go down to the 5 minute,
you're MetaTrader, not TradingView.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome.
Right, you can see that we started to pull back already. So it broke just above the trend line or the channel. Where is the bottom? Where is it going to pull back? We don't know. There are multiple possibilities. Seriously, I'm going to throw this magic mouse out the window. It's so shit. So there is a possibility it's going to come back to retest the previous daily high. There is a possibility that it's going to retest just top of the trend line and then go through the roof. There is a possibility it's going to come much lower. Who knows? We don't know. My best guess would be maximum 18-19.
Yeah,
previous
that's
daily
what
high.
I'm waiting for.
Yeah, exactly.
Because what do we say about impulse moves? Every impulse move is followed by retracement. Very good class. Excellent class. If we use our Fibonacci from the beginning of the impulse move to the top of the impulse move, what do we see on the chart?
78.60.
Very
Don't
good,
do
Ahmed.
that.
Very good. I'm really proud of you. So, you know, there's a lot of possibilities. You need to pick one and stick to the plan. Previous daily high? Absolutely. Top of the channel? Absolutely. Which one is going to win? It's not up to me to decide about this. It's the market yet to confirm this. But if I have to bet, I would bet on the previous daily high. If not today, then tomorrow's daily candle, when it's going to open, it's going to have a top, it's going to have a body, it's going to have a lower wick. And if it goes up, it has to create the lower wick first. And, you know, daily candle, lower wick can easily take out the previous daily high. Or in our case, it's today's low maybe. And then it goes up. So there is absolutely possibility it's going to just wick down. So don't rush into any trades. There's plenty of time. Someone just messaged me, half Hungarian, half Chilean. That's really exotic. During the Second World War, there's so many Hungarians immigrated to South America. And for example, the guy who invented the ballpoint pen, Mr. Biro. Did you know that it was invented by Hungarian? The pen you use every single day, the ballpoint pen.
Yes, there's lots of famous Hungarians, anyway.
Yeah, we used to be smart. We used to invent a lot of things, but not anymore. Now we have celebrities on TV, reality shows, fat people. It's like Little Britain.
No, that's just the world of reality TV. That's not actually reality.
No. Right. Okay. Szia, Muci. Nézzük. Még egy fél óra. My wife is asking when I'm going to finish. What should I say? What should I tell her?
You don't chat it.
What should I tell my wife when I'm going to finish work today?
Couple more minutes.
You know you finished too early.
You know.
No, he says.
2 minutes, but she knows the 2 minutes.
And I'll finish when I'm done.
Oh wow, that's really
one.
Wow. Yeah.
Do not tell your wife that.
Should I take off my belt as well and slap the table like finish when I want?
No. Do not tell her that.
It's a dangerous game. I wouldn't tell it to my wife. She's
Well,
laughing.
Depends how long you've been married. Depends.
Yeah. She's asking for your. She just asked for your Discord ID because you and her are going to have a discussion now. A serious discussion. So you're in trouble, mate.
I'll pass over to my wife. They can talk, and then
Oh, mate.
sort it out.
There are situations when we just need to step back and say, "Yes, darling."
True. It's not so much about how long you've been married, but how long you want to be married.
I think the question is how long you want to live. You want a long, and there's a saying, happy wife, happy life, and it's very true. Okay, let me get some water because I'm thirsty. Entertain people of YouTube, please.
Come, Alan, sing.
No, I can't sing. I definitely cannot sing. And I can't dance either. But
Pascal. Pascal singing.
No, I don't sing anymore. I tried several times to participate in The Voice, but at the house they're all laughing with me. So I said, okay.
You mean laughing at you?
The day after, I was listening to it because in the moment itself, after 2 bottles of wine, I find it really beautiful, and I sing it over and over again. We did that to the crowd is at the house. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I will be the voice of Belgium, big star, and then the next day I listen to it and I'm like, oh my god, that's really, really not on the a little bit. Raoul, how do you say that? Vals gezongen.
And you wonder why there are so many cats outside your door.
Yeah, not.
It
that
sounds
good.
like she killed her cat.
Yeah.
Something like that.
It's like when you're raping a cat.
The difficult ones.
That's the
Thinking like
trouble
the
with
greatest-
alcohol.
The greatest showman. And it goes so deep, that song. Yeah, it's nice, but need some more practice and less smoking.
We have another person on YouTube, Brian FX. If you have FX in your name, that's already a fail, by the way. But it says like Godsell ? Be my guest, it's.
Abbas. Abbas,
Yes.
I have a suggestion for you for the Discord channel. Maybe you can
Go on.
allow people to change their nickname. So
No,
they can
I don't
switch it
want.
to their real name. Oh, okay.
No. It's for a reason. I don't want people to change names because it's difficult to track who's who.
Oh, okay.
And then again, we're going to have Aaron and Raul swapping names and profile pictures.
That was fun.
Do you remember
that
that?
was really funny.
Someone was impersonating me, and Aaron just changed his profile picture to my profile picture, and he changed his name to my name, and I was like, "That's not funny." It was not the best situation. And then he said, "Oh, sorry," and Raul wrote something, and then Aaron changed his profile picture and name to Raul's. It's hilarious.
And I took his profile picture and name.
Yeah.
I think that was in Zoomel or something YouTube. They were so confused they didn't know who was who. Then we said it's time to switch back.
Yeah. I think because someone did got confused.
Yeah, there's something.
I miss Aaron in the group. He has
he
a
will
lot
be
of
back soon,
humor.
I hope.
I believe so.
Yeah, he's a good guy. But then I miss Zeph as well. I miss
What happened
Zeph.
here?
He has a lot of humor also, Seth.
Yeah.
Raul?
What?
What happened
Personal
here?
duties. You know, sometimes in life you have to focus on more important things. He has responsibilities now with family, so he's shifting his attention to more important things in life than trading. But he has our full support. So Aaron, if you're listening, the whole Alpha FX family is behind you. So stay strong, mate.
Stay strong. I spoke yesterday, I think, shortly with him over the chat.
Now we see. But anyway, maybe let's continue in a private discussion. Yeah, not on YouTube, because I sometimes forget that we are on live YouTube stream with a whopping 107 viewers.
Yeah, but I don't tell them what I said, only that I spoke with them.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Thomas, can you please go to Trading View?
Yes, chef.
Because I really hate looking at the profit going up and down.
It's disgusting, isn't it?
I really get nervous.
Yeah, but that's the if you can't stomach the price movements, it's tough. You're going to have some hard time in trading. Let me just mute Jamil because his TV is too loud. Yeah, so I'm back to TradingView. How can I help?
Nothing, just I was nervous with the profit going up and down.
I do apologize.
As a breathing exercise, every time goes up, you breathe out. It goes down, you breathe in. Voila.
Yeah.
Then he's going to hold his breath for too long. He's going to suffocate. I think it's a beautiful day today, profit-wise. What do you think?
Yes, that's why the group is really active.
Yeah.
Is everyone talking, laughing?
Today was a good.
Right, I think I'm gonna this week I'm gonna take it easy. I literally it was a fantastic. The last first week of January. Do you remember that? That was brilliant.
Yeah, that was a good week.
It was a really, really good week. And then the second week, is it? Let me just check. The second week. Yeah, first week was good. Second week was shit. Yesterday was okay, and today is brilliant. I mean, I made 10% of my account, so I think I'm gonna finish for the week. So no more trading on Thursday and Friday. I don't want to jinx it and give it back.
That's the spirit. Don't give it back.
Absolutely. And we need to discuss something, guys. You still haven't told me how should I pick the winner, because I'm gonna give you a MyForex fund. I'm going to pay for one of your challenge. So we need
You don't need to pick one. It's me, it's obvious.
Yeah, come on. It's difficult. It's only for the members in the AlphaFX group. I want to pay for one of yours. One of my FX challenge, I want to pay for one of you. But it's difficult to pick someone. Because I all love you and I don't want to, you know, pick a favorite. So I was thinking maybe, have you seen the Hunger Games movie? Maybe we should,
then
you know...
then you not have that much members at the end.
That's true, but we always need new blood.
Or why not a kind of quiz, Forex quiz or something like that?
Or you could do a raffle with their IDs.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the problem is, I know that some people are not deserving. They would blow the MyForex fund.
Yes.
I know for a fact that, you know, some of the people are not going to be good in trading ever. It's hard reality, but there are some people who just can't trade, and I know some people who lack of motivation, because I know that they have money. They only doing this for fun. They can blow 10k, 20k. Doesn't hurt their bank account. Why would I give them? Why wouldn't I give someone who I know that he is maybe in a financial difficulty, looking for a life-changing opportunity?
Yes.
Why don't you make it with a like traditional way, like cutting papers to pieces and write everyone's name and then pick one?
No. It has to be. I cannot.
Or do a challenge, like a demo challenge, and whosoever.
It's too long. It's too long. I want to give it this week, but I don't want to. I want it to make as easy as possible, without pissing too many people off.
I have an idea.
Go on.
Thomas, I got an idea.
Go on.
Okay, let's say there are 10 people. You just have to pick the order of the 10. And I don't know, I would suggest the first person that gets the challenge, when they do draw down, it will be their responsibility or duty to sponsor the second person. And when the second one wins, they sponsor the other person.
Too difficult.
So everyone
difficult.
wins. Everyone wins.
Yeah.
Our question is, who deserves it and who is
hold on.
responsible enough?
What if we do a split account, so more people can decide to manage one account, and at the end of the month they split the money. So maybe choose, instead of one person who is more likely going to blow the account.
Yeah.
Let's choose maybe 3 to 5 people. Have a separate room or channel in Discord where we see how they discussing the ideas, the trades that they taking and not taking my trades, they trading on their own, and we see the development and see they discussing and brainstorming and okay, how much we should risk on this trade. And I think that would be very useful, because at least it starts added value, a conversation among traders.
Yes.
And that,
Yeah, it's a very good idea.
You can do in Discord an extra group. They have to share in most in democracy. They're voting what to do. Decide
obviously
what lot sizes, what pairs, etc., what analyze.
they need to discuss these things. They need to step up.
Yeah.
They need to take responsibility. It's same as when you go into school and you have a project or at work. There's going to be a group. Some people will lack, but if it's money on the stake, I guarantee that they're going to kick that person out, and then they're going to maybe choose or shed. I don't know, but I think that's the wisest. Maybe give it to a group of people.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And then they can keep 20% of the profit, and the rest goes to me. No, I'm going to pay one. I'm going to pay for registration, and then choose 3, 5, I don't know how many people, and they're going to discuss everything: the plan, the strategy, the lot sizes, the entries, everything. But then
I think it's a good plan.
Yeah.
I mean, we can follow, or we all can follow it on Discord, what they do.
Yeah, it would be interesting. It's like a social experiment.
But who take the trades?
It's up to them. They have to discuss, and one person is going to. It doesn't matter who takes the trades. They're going to nominate someone who's going to manage the account. It's going to be an execution trader. This is what it's called. It's going to be. If I was one of the members, I would choose someone who takes responsibility for risk management, someone who takes responsibility for execution, someone who takes responsibility for other things. Everyone is going to split.
Yeah. So they push.
How about having at least 3?
I like the idea.
One in each session, like Asian session, there'll be someone, London session, and US session.
No, only European
no.
session.
It's I wouldn't divide it. They have to pick one session, and preferably London or New York, not Asian, and they have to trade all at the same time. They have to be at least in the same time zone so they can discuss things, because if one person is missing out of a meeting or discussion and they make a bad decision, that's going to start a bad discussion.
I agree.
There's a lot of rivals we need to consider, but I think we definitely going into the right direction with this challenge. And then we can stream it on YouTube to see how they're doing. We could do a series about this.
It can be a subject for the morning meeting.
Indeed. We could it's the same when Jay Powell at the Fed has to testify about the results that he achieved and the Fed. We can call them upon. Show us what have you achieved with the account I paid for. And they could, it's a stand-up, daily stand-up. They're showing us what they did. And, we could all learn about it.
Yes.
Could be a thing.
We can think about it. Then we discuss it further next week and tomorrow.
Yeah, people on YouTube saying stream it, do it. Yeah, it's difficult to do it because I can stream my computer, but I can't. But actually, they can share the screen on Zoom, and I can stream the Zoom screen. Wow, that is a whole new level of streaming.
Yeah, thanks to technology.
Yeah, we need to think about it. It's the potential of even we can get on television.
Well, I like it. It's not one of the gurus who's trading his founded account. It's the students who manage it. I like the idea.
It's brilliant. I love it. How about we do? But I'm going to gym in the mornings. But after the maybe we could do the stream at 8:30 a.m. London time. I leave the stream, share the Zoom conversation, and these people who's going to be selected, I'm going to stream the MetaTrader of what they manage, or maybe twice a week we could do this and see how they going to blow their account, or maybe they're going to make a fortune.
We can set bets on it. Blowing in 1 week, 4 weeks, profit 2%.
No,
5%.
that would be mean.
No, I'm not only blowing, also profit. We can bet on profit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or do we need a license for that? Gamble license.
Betting license, yeah.
Betting license.
Right. Okay, guys. People in the Zoom, I'm gonna call it a day. For you guys, 8 o'clock sharp morning briefing. We're going to have nice juicy analysis like we did today with gold, like we did with US 30, with GBP JPY. I'm not going to mention USD CAD, but it's still a good trade. But anyway, morning briefing 8 o'clock sharp. Everything will be uploaded to the website. If you miss it, just go to weekly webinars. Let me just show you. So you go to the website, weekly webinars, and it will be uploaded to it's going to be the top video of the concurrent day.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Sorry, mate.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. Thank you, Thomas.
Have a good day,
Thanks,
guys.
Thomas.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We always wait for that bye.
It's always, if you say bye, gold is melting.
Bye, Thomas. Thank you for welcoming me today. I'll see you guys
Bye-bye.
on YouTube.
Bye. Okay, people on YouTube, thank you so much for joining in today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Tomorrow the stream is gonna be at 1 p.m. again, UK time. It's gonna be a little bit shorter because I have personal commitments, but it's gonna be 1.5 to 2 hours, probably just like today. So it's gonna be the same time. If you're interested to join any of my services, you can go to alphafx.eu and you can check my website, and also you can join me on Telegram, link in the description below. Also, I have a recommended broker. I have everything you need. I hope you enjoyed the stream today and got some value out. If you're interested, tune in tomorrow 1 p.m. UK time. Thank you so much. Have a relaxing day. This is the Alpha FX. Goodbye.